Okay, I just wanted to show everybody one of the features of the new Bobcat R2 series mini excavators. It's when you're filling the diesel fuel tank, it gives you an audible alert to let you know when you're getting close to being full and when you are full. This is where you fill it on the side here. So we're going to go ahead and loosen that. And when we first start getting full, we'll hear a beep, and then once we get close to full, the beep will stay on. Okay, so there's the first set of beeps, and as we get fuller, the beep will go solid. There you go, beep will go solid there, and I just keep topping it off a hair. And just remember, this only works with the key in the on position, and the initial start time can't have timed out either. You'll know if things stop beeping and it goes dead. But yeah, it only works with the key in the on position. Please like and subscribe. Please look for new videos on the tractor channel. Thank you.